For lawyers, short-term benefit versus long-term vision. I was recently talking with an advocate friend a couple of weeks ago where we were discussing the specifics about one case that came his way and that he was supposed to file in the next coming few days. And once we got talking about the case, the specifics of the details, what came to the forefront was that it would be a logical thing not to file this particular case that my friend was in the next couple of days going to file. And I told him he agreed for the reasons that we discussed. I don't really want to get into the specifics of the situation because it might or might not get filed. It's a peculiar situation. But what's interesting is that the friend in that moment said that because I was marked this matter by a firm, I am just following their wishes. The client wants this done. The firm says it can be done and therefore we want to do this. And to be fair, the matter was completely legal. Them filing this thing was not illegal in any sense whatsoever. However, the logical conclusion, as mentioned before, was that all things considered, this is going to harm the party more than any benefit. And here, when the friend said, it's not really something that I can do anything about, the firm marked it to me. The firm said, go and file it. So I'm happy to file it for them. And of course, argue it for them as well. To which I explained that on a lot of occasions, even when you have fellow lawyers giving you work or referring work to you, a lot of times people don't truly think things through. And what I mean by that is, people go into a discussion, they say, all right, this is one plan of action which seems to be the right way to go about it. But often you need another pair of eyes to look over the situation and explain that all things considered, even if it is legal, even if it may be winning us a short battle, it may ultimately lead us to losing the war. And of course, those kind of situations are unacceptable. And I explained to this friend that in this kind of a situation, even though the firm said that this should be done, they want it done. If you have the courage to say no to money coming to you and return the file back saying that you should review this situation, because if you do this, though it is legal, though maybe notice will be issued, but the longer term repercussions will definitely be far more bigger for the client in the end. And if you explain this to the client may also agree. The reason why is, even if you for a short moment, I said this to the friend, you forego this little money that is coming your way, this will raise the respect of the firm, those fellow lawyers in your eyes, and will lead you to, in the future, get far more work. Even if you want to command a premium price, they will be happy to do it for you, because now by saying no to some money coming your way for the right reasons, you will have paved the way for them wanting to have you as a lawyer of trust and a lawyer who will give the right advice, even if it is at severe cost to himself. And then, even if you charge a premium, they will be happy to pay it and retain your services. Looking at things short term versus long term. He agreed, so did I. Both of us are in this for the long haul, not for some short term gain.